Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Heather Majors. Today we're going to talk about how to use Microsoft Stream to record, organize, and share your videos. Stream is a video platform that allows you to manage your content within the boundaries of your organization. It's really popular if you want to do things like post internal training videos or share videos that might have proprietary information. Unlike other streaming services like YouTube, the videos that you post on Stream are not viewable to people outside of your organization. So let's hop on the computer and take a look at how it's done.
To get to Stream, go to www.office.com, and from there in the left-hand rail, you should see the Stream app. If you don't, go to All Apps at the bottom of the screen and click on Stream. And this will take you to the Stream Classic app. Please note that Microsoft is in the process of switching over from Classic Stream to Stream on SharePoint. I will be demonstrating Classic Stream. For those of you who are joining me from a GCC environment, this is the stream that is available to us at the time of this recording. From the home page, you will see videos highlighted by your organization. I am demonstrating from a developer environment today, so there's only the one video that I put in here for the purposes of a test. Depending on how your organization has Stream set up, you might be able to create live events. Other actions you can take from the home screen is to upload new videos, find content, and search channels or groups. From the menu bar at the top of the screen, you can click on Discover to look for videos, channel, peoples, and groups. If you click on My Content, you will see all of the information that is associated with your profile. You can click on Create to upload new videos, create live events, create groups or channels, or record a screen or video. Let's start with how to record your screen or video. Before we hit the recording button, let's talk about a couple benefits and limitations to using Stream. Some of the benefits include there's no special software needed. Anybody with access to Stream can record a quick video. Anything you record will automatically be associated with your profile in Stream, no need to upload. Stream is very good for quick and informal videos. However, there are some limitations, including the video is limited to 15 minutes. You can only trim the beginning and the end of the video. You cannot do any edits. If you want to edit your video, you will have to export the video file and put it into your editing software. A few months ago, Microsoft switched from the Stream video files being an MP4 to a WebM file, which means that many editing softwares cannot intake the footage. For example, I use Camtasia, which only intakes MP4 files. Therefore, if I want to take video from Stream, I have to download it, convert it from a WebM file, and then to an MP4 file. This takes a lot of time and effort, and there are better recording options out there, so I personally do not use Stream to record video, unless it's going to stay in Stream without any editing. So to get started, you have some icons here at the bottom. You can choose if the camera should be on or off, select your microphone, and then you select you want to record your screen and camera, screen only, or camera only. I'm going to select screen only for the purposes of this demonstration and click Record. You get a dialog box that lets you choose, do you want to record your entire screen, a specific window, or a specific Microsoft Edge tab. In this example, I'm just going to say record the entire screen. And then I'm going to click Share. You get a countdown, and now the recording has started. And it lets you know you can now switch to the window you wish to record. Come back here to stop and review your recording. And then from here, I could navigate to another tab, pretend like I'm recording something in Stream, and then when I'm done, I can come back to this window and click on Next, which automatically stops the recording. From here, you have the option to trim the beginning or ending of the video by dragging the handles to choose where the video should begin or end. When you are done trimming the beginning or the ending of the video, you will click Upload to Stream. From here, you will name your screen recording. Enter a description if you like. Select the video language, and then determine who should be able to view this video. By default, allow everyone in your company to view the video is checked. Depending on your organization's policies, you might want to uncheck this, at least initially, until you've reviewed the video to make sure that everything is accurate and you want your entire organization to see it. I typically uncheck this when I'm using Stream, and the reason I do this is Stream automatically creates a transcript for you. And like most transcript software, it's good, but not perfect. And I have seen some very interesting results and some results that could be considered offensive. So I like to check the transcript before I let everybody in the company see it. From there, I can either save it as a draft, download the video file, or publish it. When you click publish, it will be published either to the entire organization or just to yourself, depending on the choices that you have made. Because I have deselected allow everyone in the company to view it, and I have not associated it with any other channels or groups, when I click publish, I will be the only one who can see this video in the My Content section. Now I can go to the video, and you can see that it is here in Microsoft Stream. And when you see this yellow icon that says limited, this is your indication that only the selected people can see it. From here, I can click on the More Actions button to link this video to groups or channels, update the video details, trim the video, replace the video, delete it, or download it. The other place you can go to manage your videos is go to the My Content section in the ribbon and click on Videos. And here you will see every video that you have uploaded to Microsoft Stream. Let's take a look at Test 2 and click on Update Video Details. In the Details pane, you have the ability to change the name, update the description, select the video language, and add a thumbnail. If you don't add a thumbnail, Microsoft Stream will automatically pick one for you randomly from the footage that's available. In the Permissions section, you can turn Allow everyone in your company to view this video back on if and when you choose. You can choose who to share the video with. You have the choice of searching from people, channels, or My Groups. For example, if I type in the name of my coworker and hit enter, you will see that her name comes up, and then I can make her a co-owner of the video. I always suggest that you add at least one additional co-owner to every video so that if you leave your organization, somebody else still has access to manage the videos. In the Options section, you can choose whether or not comments will be allowed, and you can manage the transcript. I will be doing another video specifically discussing how to manage the transcript. This can be important, especially if you work for an organization that must be 508 compliant. Once you're done making your changes, you will click Apply. Now that we know how to record a video, let's take a look at how to organize them using groups and channels. I'm going to navigate to the Discover tab in the upper left-hand side of the screen. And let's start with groups. Groups are a good way to organize your video because it allows you to determine whether or not the video is available for everyone in the organization or just a select group of people. For example, this all company group would be a great place for me to post a video that's from one of the executives, and everybody in the organization can view it. The Learning Together group is for the training team. I might want to post things here such as the recordings for our internal meetings. Let's take a look at the Learning Together group as an example. Within your group, all videos will be on the Video tab. This is okay when you have just a few videos, but as you have more and more content, it can be a lot to scroll through to find what you want. Therefore, you can create channels within your group in order to organize your content by topic. For example, I might want to have a channel for just my internal training team meetings. I could click on Create a New Channel and call it Meetings. You can put a description, which is optional, and then you can navigate to the channel access. You can choose if it should be associated with a group or a company-wide channel. Because I was already in the Learning Together group, Stream automatically marked it as a group channel for the Learning Together group. And then I could add a custom image if I wanted. And finally, click on Create. Now I have a channel that is underneath my Learning Together group, and whenever I record any meetings, I can simply associate them with this channel to make it easier for my training team to find it. And from here, you can click on New Channel and repeat the process until you have all of the channels that you want to organize your videos by the topics that make sense to you. Now let's go over to the Discover tab again and click on Channels. And here you will see a list of all the channels that are available within your organization. And as I mentioned before, I'm in a developer environment, so there's not a lot here. I staged just enough information so that you would all have something to look at. You notice that I have two different channels. One is the Meetings channel we just created together, and it's associated with the Learning Together group. Notice that this Training Videos channel doesn't have a group name underneath it, and that's because it is a company-wide channel. Anything that I post here will be viewable to everybody within the organization. To create a new company-wide channel, you would navigate to the Create button in the ribbon at the top and select Channel. Just like we demonstrated before, you would enter a channel name, a description, but this time you will select Company-wide Channel, add a custom image if you want, and then click Create. Now that we have a couple of channels and groups, let's take a look at how to associate our videos with them. I am going to navigate to My Content in the upper left-hand corner and select Videos. And then I'm going to select Update Video Details. In the Permission section, click the drop-down next to People and select Channels. From here, I can type in the name of the channel and then choose it from the list. Let's click the drop-down again and select My Groups. You will be able to search for all public groups and any private groups that you are a member of. I know I have a couple that start with the word learning. Once I type that and click Enter, I can choose either one from the list. I'm going to select Learning for Everyone, and it's added to the Permission section. When I'm done associating this video with all of the people, channels, or groups that I want to view it, I can click Apply. I have navigated back to the home page, and I would like to share a couple of tips about how to find information in Stream. If you go to Discover, you can always look at all of the channels that are available. Now, right now there's only a couple, but if you are in a large organization, there can be quite a few channels, and it can take a long time to search through all of them. Instead, when you find your favorite channels, you can follow them. Once you've followed the channel, you can go to My Content and look at followed channels. And from here, you can quickly click in that channel and see any videos that are associated with it. If you have a lot of followed channels, you can still narrow it down by using the search function. Another option you have is if you find a video that you want to watch later, you can always navigate to the Add a Watch List icon and put it on the watch list. From there, if we go back to My Content, you will find the video in your watch list. Another search function that I use quite frequently is to look for videos by people. For example, in the organization I work for, I publish all the videos for the learning team. All somebody would have to do is search by my name select People, and then they will see a tile with my name, and then all they have to do is click it. From there, they will see every video that I have uploaded into Microsoft Stream. And the last tip I have for you is how to share videos. If you are the owner of a video, you can click on Update Video Details, and you will see a share button here. Keep in mind that this share button is to send the video to somebody else, and they will have the ability to download and or edit this video. If all you want to do is share the video so that somebody can view it, go to the video itself and click on the share button. Click on the copy link and then you can email it to someone. The other thing you can do is use this link to add it as a web part to a SharePoint page. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click the like button so that it will spread to more people and we can all learn together. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.